Start it. No, don't start it now.
Yeah, I just started it. He started
Anthony,
it.
go.
Look, okay, he said 6 seconds.
20 seconds. 20 years.
It's gonna take a long time for the Pikachu to end.
It's gotta be in just like the others, okay?
Good courage, man.
Oh wait, we're Pikachu. So get out of here.
No.
Little Pikachu.
No, don't wrestle in here. Look. You could knock down the escalator, the ladder.
Okay.
Dude, keep going.
Keep going. Don't give up, man.
Go.
Yeah,
Don't give up,
go,
man. The best you can.
Your courage, the cowardly dog. Have you seen that before?
Yes, I have.
Good.
It's
The
courage.
whole series.
Good.
What?
Good.
Courage,
It's courage. Wait, he's not pink.
How long did it take Gary to do this?
It's blue.
20 seconds for Gary.
Turn the booty right there.
Wait, courage isn't pink. It's black.
Huh?
All right, so it took Gary 20 seconds to do this, guys.
Anthony, over a minute.
Yeah, but he's still going. He's halfway. He just has to concentrate.
Go, Anthony, go.
Bobby Jones, you can do this, Bobby Jones.
Do it.
Move. Yeah.
Do
Yeah,
it.
look. He's got his arm. He was shaking. Why is he shaking his arm? Why is he shaking his arm? Anybody know? This is one screw.
He's having a seizure.
Look. He's shaking his arm. Why?
One screw? Bro, come on.
That's all right.
Wait, did you drill the hole inside the TV already?
No. He's almost there. He's about 3/4 in.
Oh my God,
You know, have you ever seen those runners? This is the end. Don't give up. There you go.
Oh, by the way, Max, remember in Anthony's trade cheese?
Watch out if he beats you guys. He's concentrating. Good job. That's it. Keep strength.
I'm not showing you.
Oh,
How much minutes does it take?
Oh,
Go, run. Go, Gary.
Keep going. You're on a timer, man. Keep going. You're almost there. Just don't give up. Max, take a look. It took Gary 20 seconds to put that screw in.
And it took him... I can't
If I do the fastest, I'm not sure how long it'll take me.
How long has it been?
We're at 3 minutes, but keep going. He doesn't give up, see?
Bad.
Okay, what'd you get?
2.
No, keep going. You got a little bit left, see? Just a little bit more, like 2 or 3 more turns.
How many minutes do I have?
You have 3 minutes, but that's all right. This is your first time doing this, right?
Yeah.
For a intro.
A little bit more. Push it in and then
It's done.
turn.
It's done.
Oh, God.
Yeah, now it's done.
All right, so let's stop it. 3:30.